An amazing engineering feat.
It was 5 years ago that Stockton Rush christened the Titan, described as the largest pressure vessel ever made. It performed amazing feats diving to the bottom of the Atlantic, but this time something went wrong, and experts had feared the worst.
The problem at these depths, where we're talking pressures of nearly 6,000 pounds per square inch, is that when something goes wrong, it goes cataclysmically wrong.
It's a tragedy.
Don Muth is an advisor on submarine engineering. He admires what they were trying to achieve.
A lot of the things people are trying to do in these extreme environments have not been done before.
But he added that as the Titan had not been classified, he would not have taken such a trip.
I highly value life, so I would not go down in one that didn't have that wasn't classed personally.
All of our test program has been about incremental testing.
From the earliest days, OceanGate's founder emphasized safety, suggesting that Titan was designed to make repeated dives with people on board. But it was openly called experimental. It had not been certified by regulatory bodies in the U.S. or Canada and was operating in international waters.
This was an innovative new design utilizing carbon fiber for a hull with a titanium plug end cap. That was new and unique. It wasn't something that had been certified. That's a different approach than myself or others in the community might have taken.
Before the news broke, one scientist was already calling for an investigation.
OceanGate should be shut down, investigated to make sure that they took all the necessary precautions. We have to take a look at what the ship was able to do. Was it properly tested? Was it properly designed?
Memorial University's Ken Leday was holding out hope, but as the tragic outcome was breaking, new questions arose.
There's a lot of factors that could have potentially compromised the structural integrity. Certainly there's going to be a lot of attention to what the standards are going to be for any future visits to that site.
Don Muth says he hopes risk will be taken into consideration more in the future, but that exploration will go on.
Man always wants to explore extreme environments. And I don't think you're going to stop with that.
Whatever the scientific merits, this catastrophe will raise new doubts about deep-sea exploration and what some view as extravagant and extreme tourism. Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.